Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to schedule messages on WhatsApp. All right, let's begin. This feature is really convenient if you need a message to be sent on a certain date at a specific time. To begin, come out of WhatsApp and open the Play Store. At the bottom, tap on the search option and type in the app called SK-Edit. Once it appears at the top, install this app on your device. After the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app. You can sign in if you like, but for this guide, we'll press Skip in the top right. Now we can start setting it up. Allow the app to send notifications and accept the terms by pressing I understand. Next, tap the plus button at the bottom right and select WhatsApp. At this point, we need to set up permissions for it to work correctly. Tap Check Requirement and you'll be prompted to enable accessibility. Press Enable Accessibility, then go to Installed Apps, find SK-Edit, and switch it on. After that, scroll down and disable battery optimization for the app. Once done, press the back button at the top left to return. Now tap the plus button again, select WhatsApp, and choose the recipient you want to schedule a message for. You can also add a title if you wish. Next, type in the message you want to send. Scroll down to see more options, such as adding attachments. Then, set the schedule by choosing the date and time for the message to be delivered. You can also select repeat options if you want the message to be sent regularly. Once everything is set up, press the check mark in the top right corner to save it. That's it. The message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the chosen time. However, keep in mind that this tool is not officially made for WhatsApp. So if you use it, please use it at your own risk. And that's it. So that's basically how you can schedule messages on WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.